Well, today CMS leaders are set to discuss how to get a life-saving drug into schools. For months, we've told you about the district's efforts to get Narcan into the classroom. It's a medication that could reverse an opioid overdose. Now, leaders are laying out a plan of how this can all be implemented. WCNC Charlotte's Destiny Richards joins us now. Destiny, this all comes as overdose deaths skyrocket.
According to the State Department of Health and Human Services, fentanyl overdoses in people under age 25 is the most concerning drug overdose trend in Mecklenburg County. And tonight at the CMS school board meeting, they are going to be discussing a detailed emergency response protocol to help save young lives. Now, it lays out exactly how naloxone, also known as Narcan, would be used in schools. If a student is experiencing an overdose, first responders will be called, bringing with them an emergency kit with an AED and naloxone. The school will call 911 first, then notify the student's parent or guardian. First responders will then assess the situation and use naloxone if needed. And lastly, document the time of administration. District leaders have already been in support of the use of naloxone every step of the way. Earlier this month, CMS approved officially adding the medication to the district's policy.
I'm definitely in support of putting this measure into our schools and equipping our nurses with this.
The next step is to review this emergency response protocol and then add it to that policy, as well as the school health services manual. And then if all of that gets approved, then the schools will start to receive the naloxone and then have it ready to use along with their AEDs. Live at CMS headquarters, I'm Destiny Richards, WCNC Charlotte.